Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is a festival inspired look. It's got lots of purples and pinks and blues and cute little heart freckle tattoos. So first of all, I'm just putting a primer on my eyes. It's by MUA. I forgot what it's called, but it will all be linked down below. So taking the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and just using the lilac shade just as a transition shade, just working it in the crease back and forth. Now taking the I Heart Revolution Surprise Egg in Unicorn, and I'm just using that purple shade. It's like a duochrome purpley blue and it's stunning. Just using that on a small flat brush and just patting it on. Now I've built that last shade up, I'm going to use this pinky purpley colour and just take that in the crease just to brighten the crease up a bit and blend it out. Now taking this silvery white colour and just putting that just as a highlight underneath the brow, and then I'm going to take the blue and just run that underneath the eye, and then also smoke it out with that same colour that we put on the crease from the NYX palette. So I did that other eye off camera because it would just take too long in this video if I didn't. And I'm just taking that same blue and I'm just putting it on the outer corner and I'm sort of dragging it out sort of to make like a point and bringing it out more and then just blending that all together. Using that same white highlighter shade to highlight the inner corners. just using a white coal on my waterline just to brighten my eyes up a bit. This one's by Rimmel. Taking the Vavavoom by Asda George, and I'm just mascara. I don't know why I just didn't say mascara then, thinking that you'd know. So I'm just taking that on my eyelashes, because obviously where would you put mascara? Duh, why can't I think? Now taking the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner, I'm just running that over the top of my eye. Why can't I talk? Yeah, I'm just taking that just because when I put eyelashes on, I need it to blend into something, or otherwise it won't. So I'm not doing a winged out eyeliner, I'm just running that over the top of my lashes. So I've just stuck some eyelashes on, and they are by Superdrug. They're like £1 and they're actually really nice. They look a bit plasticky, but for £1 they're really nice. I think the volume something, I'll write them down below anyway and link them. And then I'm just using this colour corrector by Collection. It's the green one because my skin was looking very red, and just to cancel out any redness on spots. So now taking the Maybelline 24-hour full coverage Superstay foundation. I think I got that in the wrong way around, but it's something like that. And just popping that all over my face using the Real Technique sponge. Now to conceal, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is in the shade C3 because it's more of like of a pinky undertone. So if you need one and you've got more of a pinky undertone, then definitely go for that one. It's such a good concealer. The only thing I would say is it runs out so quick. I've not even used mine that much and it feels like it's running out already, which is a bit annoying, but I suppose for the price you can just get another one, can't you? Using this Collection contour stick in the shade Light. I really love this. As you can see, I've used it a lot because all the writing's been rubbed off. It's really good for light skin because normally like contours are just super dark for me. So I'm just using that to just carve out not a double chin, make myself look a bit snatched. So yeah, and then I'm just going to blend that in after I've done that. Now taking this Just Peachy palette from Primark, and it is an eyeshadow palette, but I always use it for blush because I really love the colours. So I'm just popping that on, and I'm using a Real Techniques, no I'm not, I'm using a Makeup Revolution contour brush. Like I said, I'll have everything linked below, even brushes. So I'm just mixing both of the highlighters just to use on my cheekbones, nose, anywhere that needs highlighting, and just mixing them together, and they're from that egg that I used before. So I'm going to take the Lotte London Freckle Tattoos, and these are so gorgeous, and they're like foil tattoos. You get 4 different colours, like a rainbowy one, then like silver and gold ones, and then another gold one, and then that one's like rose gold and silver, and they're so pretty. They're basically like them tattoos that you got when you was a kid that you wet and then you stick to your face. So that's what I'm doing right now. So you just wet it and you just press it down for 30 seconds and then peel them off, and you can put them wherever you want on your body, all over your face, if you want to cover the whole of your face. And look, wow, they were so nice. I've really proper liked them. To see, he called me. So then I just stuck some extra hearts just underneath my eyes, and one on the side of my face because I put more freckles on one side than the other. Then I actually take one of the hearts off, so I don't even know why I did that, but yep, I really like them. I think they look so cute, and if you go into like a festival or a party and you don't want to put glitter on, I feel like these are really super cute. They were, I think, $9.99, but Superdrug have got like a 3 for 2 off. 3 for 2 off. 3 for 2 on at the moment on all makeup, so take advantage of it. Then I'm just using the Stay Matte by Rimmel and just powdering my face. Now just taking the Barry M Matte Me Up Lip Kits in Ride or Die, this one is. I love this colour, it's so stunning. And yeah, just popping that all over the lip liner and then using the liquid lipstick. Now just finishing off with this MUA setting spray, and that is the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed. Give it a big like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!